making a sound on the bass drum. Okay, you're gonna grip the bass drum mallet using the grip that you learned earlier. And you don't wanna hit the exact center of the head. Why not? Because that'll actually choke the sound a bit. You wanna go a little bit below center for the most resonance possible. Okay, so you're in position to play a little bit below center. Now you're gonna use a wrist stroke. You're gonna use your wrist to strike the bass drum. I'm gonna play at a medium loudness level, not too quiet, not too loud. And then after I stroke the bass drum, I'm gonna follow through. I'm gonna do an upstroke and come back. And that will also enhance your resonance and your sound. Here it goes. And that's how you make a sound on the bass drum.